So you're not spoiled at all, are you, babes? I know, I just love it. Yeah, this is my boy. Look at all those pretty feathers. Oh, those fluffle butts. Those fluffle butts are my boy. This is my boy. What now? Yeah, sure. It's okay. They have birdies and they get to play with them. Uh-oh, whoa! The blanket's falling. Let's just move it. Let's just totally move it. Sorry. Did that scare you? I know, it's okay. It's okay. Say good morning, everybody. Say hi. Come here. I know you want this. I know you want scritches. I know you want scritches. It's hard to see you. Come here. Yeah, come here. Come here, babes.
Yeah, the pizza's better this way.
Good. Good morning, Jamie. Jeremy, hi. This is spoiled Max. This is Max. Come here. I got the phone twisted up, all discombobbled. Here, come here, babes. I know. Say good morning. Do you want scritches? Yeah, do you? To come here. That's over here. Come on. Come here. You know you wanna. Come here. Oh, do you want your cuddles? Oh. My boy. What's everybody up to this morning? I'm just getting lovin's. I'm getting my lovin's. That is mine. Don't clip it. I like it. Yeah, it's purple and it holds my key. What? Be nice. You be nice. Be nice. Yes, you be nice. You have my hair. Do you want it? Sydney says, hi, Max. It's all Bootsy says, hi, Max. You want to go, hi, Max. It's a good boy. It's all about Max. All about Max. How are you guys? We are doing, what is today? My watch doesn't say the day anymore. It's stuck on some weird thing. Is it Wednesday, Gary, or Thursday?
What?
The day.
It's Thursday right now.
Thursday. Tomorrow, another radio show, guys. I hope you guys can join in. Hi, Patty. Tomorrow we are doing another radio show at 9 o'clock Central Standard Time. And if there's some topics you guys want to talk about, let me know. I have a few ideas. And we're going to maybe have Max on. Yes. And see, everybody says, see, I don't know if I have the video right. He's thinking he's going to, I call it a fluffle ruffle butt. But I just keep moving him. Yes, we're not going to do that. No, we are not doing that. I just keep moving him. I don't know why it's so whited out. See the butt ruffling? And he's not going to get ugly with me. No, we're not going to do that. I just keep distracting him and moving him. Sometimes it gets a little rough. But that was the roughest he's ever been. Like, he didn't want to get off of... What? What do you mean it's Friday here? Where are you? You be nice. Yes, you be nice. Yes, oh, hello. Oh, it's to my... I got you. I had misunderstood. Yeah, it's going to be fun. Hopefully you guys can join in. We're going to have it posted on here and on Max's page and on Whistling Radio. On Facebook, the Whistling Radio show. Or the Whistling Radio Facebook page. And it's going to be at 9 o'clock. And we're going to maybe bring Max's perch in and maybe he will do some cuddling. Oh, Max, who's here? She's definitely afraid of him. See ya. People say, oh my God, you got a cat by a bird. Do you know what damage this bird could do to that cat? He would destroy her. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love both, but if I had to choose, you guys know what I would choose. You guys already know my baby. Look at that massive beak. Arrgh. That massive beak. I can't believe it's been 10 months. Oh, you are? That's cool. Okay, well then, Saturday. Will you be up at 9 o'clock our time? Will you be able to watch it, or do you have to, or listen, or do you have to listen a different time? I really hope you can join us. That'd be awesome. And how's your baby doing? How's everybody doing this morning? Patty, how are you? And who else is on? I don't know if Jamie's still here. Is anybody even here? I don't know how to read these things. No. You see what he's doing? Everybody? Do you see it? He's trying to lay me. It's not happening. And see how he's not getting mean? Everybody says, especially that's big of a bird. No, we're not doing that. Remember, we talked about that. We can't do that. We're not going to. No, and that's the farthest down you've ever gotten. No. No. We'll be a good boy. Come here. I don't know if everybody saw that. If not, I'm going to save the video so they can see. He didn't get mean. I didn't get bit. He's not being vicious. Max. I can't flip the camera around. Or can I? Yeah, I can. Okay, cool. Flipperooskies. Max. That's right. You've told me before you've been in South Africa. Is there anybody here? Say hello, everybody. Come here, beautiful. Oh, do come here? Yes. I love you. I love you. Yes, I know. Oh, I know. Just don't cut it. You can play with it all you want. Yep, and he's doing it again. He's not getting mean. No. He's not getting mean, are you? Not saying that you can do that with every bird, or every bird is like that, but they can be worked with. Don't have to keep them caged up for their whole hormonal stage. I think it comes and goes. I don't know. People say it's during certain times, but for the whole 10 months he's done this on and off. He might just be...
Hi, bird.
Say hi! It's washed out for some reason. He looks like an umbrella.
Hi, bird.
Say hi!
He does not look like an umbrella.
In the video he does. Except for when he turns his head, there's a little bit of orange. For some reason the videos
Did you
totally
hear that
washed out.
bird? Did you hear that bird?
Say, I'm not an umbrella. Say, no, not umbrella. I'm not. See, I'm totally not umbrella. I'm a Moluccan. Love you, Max. Now he's going to try again. He's not going to get anywhere. And he's not going to be mean. Are you? No, not going to be mean. Each bird is different, though. Like, I could do this with another bird, and you might be, might get bit, my face torn off, but not with Max. I think the big difference is The huge difference is he chose me. I know that's one big thing. And I've had him for 10 months, and I know it's not long for many of you. Some people have had their birds for, like Andrew has had him forever. Max and I are going on a year. I think it all depends, the bond and the connection and everything. So my boy, yes. Oh, I just got an email from Jillian's teacher. We're actually going to be bringing animals in on Tuesday. Pretty excited about that. So I gotta grab this. Say hi to these guys. There's no way in hell I'm letting them out. I'm holding Max just in case Max gets spooked. And I know Max wouldn't mean to hurt me, but birds are birds. Birds are wild animals, and anything can happen at any given time, especially these little buggers. They're still adjusting, and they're pretty nippy. Ah, I wonder if the light was on. That's why. No! 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 And no! No! Max! Yes!
What?
My table!
How bad?
Nice little hunk out of the side. Max! Andrew. I'll be right back, guys.